Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video guys is we're going to have the unboxing and our initial review of the DT100 Smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video guys is we have another smartwatch to unbox. This is the DT100 Smartwatch and I got this one guys at Shopee for around $20 or that's around 1,000 pesos. So guys, as you can see here, we have nice looking watch faces here as the packaging of our DT100. Okay, and on the sides we've got here the blue colors. It means we got the blue or navy blue version. And at the back, so we have here the specifications. So we have here chipset, and the screen size is 1.7 inch, 320 by 385, and the battery capacity it's 280 milliamperes. Charging time it's 2 hours, and the watch size is 44 millimeters. And the package, we've got your smartwatch, charger, and manual, and we have here the QR code. So guys, let's open our DT100 smartwatch. Alright. Okay, so upon opening guys, so we have this small box here. So it says they're design it for building an amazing lifestyle. So let's see what's inside. So we've got there our navy blue strap, which is 44 millimeters. Kind of silicone guys, and it looks nice. And we have here the charger, okay, which is still the magnetic style. All right. And by the way guys, we have also here the manual. Okay, so it is in English I believe and Chinese. We can see now our DT100 smartwatch. So let's take this one off guys. All right. Wow, it looks nice there. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is the crown here. Okay, so I will check that one if it is working as well. And on the right we have also here the microphone, and on the left we have here the speaker grill, and we have here the sensors. So these are the sensors and the charging port. Alright, okay, so let's try to turn it on guys. And guys, there's no other button here, it's only the crown. So let's turn it on. Alright guys, so we have already charged our DT100 smartwatch. So guys, as you can see there, we have this watch face, and we're going to count how many watch faces does it have. Alright, and guys, this one is working, the crown is working, so it's nice. So let's count first. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, so we have only 11 watch faces. Alright, so as you can see guys, this is the home screen of the watch. So we have there the battery percentage, and we have their heart rate and the kcal. Okay, and let's try to scroll down guys, and let's see what we can find. When we try to scroll down, so you can see there is a brightness setting there, and you can control this one to which brightness do you want. Okay, and we have there Bluetooth music control, vibration or DND mode. Okay, and we're going to scroll up, so it will direct you to the menu application. Let's scroll to the right. Then we have here the shortcut. We have here Bluetooth call, and also the grid style, and the sleep monitoring, and this one is for your call log. Now let's scroll to the left. Then it will direct us to the widgets. Okay, we have heart rate, weather, and you can add a widget guys if you want to. Okay, now let's go to the application guys. So you can change to the different kinds of style. Later on I will show you. So in our DT100 guys, so we have here telephone. So it means we can call and also answer call using our DT100 smartwatch. And we also have here message, contact person, call records. Okay, we also have here data, your steps, kcal, and the how many kilometers did you walk. We have their sports. So let's see. We have walking, running, cycling, rope skipping, badminton, basketball, and football. So that's quite a lot, guys, for the sports mode. We also have here the heart rate. So as you can see, our watch or our sensors are lighting up. And guys, just don't rely on your DT100 smartwatch, especially if you have health problems. Then we also have their ECG, your blood pressure as well. And we have here blood oxygen or your SpO2 level. Music control, it's also here. Alright, then sleep monitoring, we also have. This is nice, guys, especially if you want to track how many hours did you sleep and also your light sleep. We also have here stopwatch, weather, okay, calculator, and find phone. There's also find phone and meteorological. So this is my first time, guys, to have this kind of feature in our watch. So in the meteorological application, guys, there's ultraviolet ray, so it says they're very weak, and the air pressure. Wow, I will try this one, guys, and I will let you know if what are those, signs. We also have your breathing. This is one of my favorites, guys. Breathing, whenever you want to inhale and exhale deeply, then you can also do so that. Wow, this also have here massager, guys. Okay, wow, this is amazing. It's my first time to have this feature in a watch, that it has this massager. Wow, I am not sure, but the vibration is a little bit weak, but it's not bad if you want to just massage your maybe your wrists, yeah, or your face. It's possible. Then we also have here, guys, female assistant. So this is I had this feature for the first time with our Wilgaloop Youth Tooth smartwatch, and this is my second time here in DT100. So this is for female menstrual cycle. Okay, and then we also have here menu style, guys. So this is interesting. So we have here style 2. So I just want to show you guys what are the different styles of the grid. Okay, and let's see, guys. Style 2, it's look like this. So it's simple. And we also have here style 3. So style 3, guys, this is like the bubble launcher, like it's almost identical to iWatch. Alright, and we also have here another style, which is style 4, and this one is pretty cool for me. This is like the circular style, yes, or it reminds me of the Mibro Air because it has this kind of launcher. Alright, so it's up to you, guys, which one you want to use. But for now, let's just use the grid style so that it will be easier for us. And we also have here, guys, settings. So in the settings, guys, we have your language. So it supports English, Dutch, and Espanol, Portugal, and other languages. Then we also have your dial switch. So you can change the watch face. Alright. And we have here screen time, so I prefer like 10 seconds. Then vibration intensity, you can choose level 1, 2, or 3. Bluetooth phone. And password, so you can also input your personal password, guys, if you want to. In my case, I don't need password on our watch. And factory data reset. Alright, so those are the applications, guys, of our DT100. And also, guys, with the bezels in this watch, it is not very big. It's not large, as you can see there. It's quite thin. Okay, so it really looks like the iWatch Series 6. Okay, and also the color of our watch, it's more vibrant. Okay, and it's more appealing to the eye. So it really looks premium as well. So I will be wearing it, guys, and I will let you know if it's comfortable to wear. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna wear our DT100 smartwatch. Alright, guys, I'm already wearing now our DT100 smartwatch, and all I can say, guys, it's really nice and it feels comfortable. It doesn't feel heavy, so you can conveniently do without any annoyance. Yes. Okay, so for me, guys, it's good for the price. Yes, and so far it's a yes for me, guys. All right, so if you have any questions, guys, about this smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing, and make sure to click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever we have new uploads in our channel. Once again, guys, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.